Breath like smoke in the air. You froze on the porch step, hackles up, fixed stare. I followed your eyes and saw it under the pines. Black shape in the tree line, two green chords for versus midnight. You stood your ground, small and wild, between that shadow and this house. You were lying in the porch light, teeth bare, heart on fire. My dog versus midnight. Never back down. That wolf stepped closer, like ink spilling over the yard. Low ground, slow circles, pause silent, gaze hard. You barked once and twice, a cracked thunder in the cold. I heard your collar shaking, but your stance never broke. My dog versus midnight. You stood your ground, small and wild, between that shadow and this house. You were lying in the porch light, teeth bare, heart on fire. My dog versus midnight. You never back down. I called your name, you didn't move. Just one soft glance, then back to the gloom. Too hard.